So as most of you know, I'm a doctor of chiropractic and I practice here in beautiful Kelowna, BC. I'm actually in my clinic right now. And what I wanted to talk about really quickly was just bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, basically the nuts and bolts or the meat and potatoes of the human body. As a chiropractor, of course, this is sort of where we live. We live in the world of, the spine and the joints, the muscles and ligaments and tendons that attach to those bones, and essentially how our body functions as a result. So, generally patients will come and see me with musculoskeletal complaints. By far, lower back pain and neck pain are the most common. And what we tend to see is that as we age, our collagen in our body, which is essentially the protein that creates elasticity in all of our soft tissues, and also the hardness or the density of our bones. Collagen really does create a scaffolding for pretty much every tissue in the body. So as we age, collagen breaks down naturally. In fact, it's about 1% per year. And so typically by about 50 years old, we tend to see that people's collagen levels are down about half. And that's just with natural aging. We can actually accelerate that process by being a smoker, by being in the sun a lot when we're talking about the skin specifically, and also high sugar diets. So as collagen breaks down, we see exactly what you would expect with normal aging. Our muscles get stiffer, our joints get tighter. We tend to find that our arteries can get harder, our skin gets more wrinkly, and our bone density goes down. These are all sort of the result of the natural progression of collagen breakdown in our bodies. So besides seeing a chiropractor, for example, to maintain the alignment of our joints, or massage therapy and physio and other modalities in an effort to keep our muscles soft, we really absolutely need to support all of those issues by making sure that our collagen is breaking down as slowly as possible, if not increasing through supplementation. Now, of course, bone broth for us is one of the best ways of getting collagen and the amino acids that make up collagen into our bodies, because it's perfectly natural. For boned broth, essentially we're simmering bones for a really long period of time, and adding to those bones, organic, of course, vegetables and spices that are also organic. And what we're really doing is we're naturally extracting the glucosamine, the chondroitin sulfate, the amino acids in those bones, getting it into the broth, flash freezing it without any preservatives or processing, and then sending it out to the stores. So if you are interested in protecting the health of your joints, your muscles, your tendons, and your bones, really making sure that you're getting enough collagen into your body is absolutely the key.